A 17-year-old just made $1.12 million in 1 month with AI. And no, he didn't win the lottery. Look, while most teenagers are grinding for $15 an hour at some fast food joint, there's this whole other world where kids your age are building AI apps, selling prompts, and making more money than their parents. Today, I'm counting down the top 10 brand new ways teenagers are making real money with AI. Let's get into it. Number 10, selling AI prompts. All right, number 10. And honestly, this one blew my mind when I first heard about it. You can literally make money by selling sentences. Yeah, I'm serious. There are these platforms, PromptBase, Prompt Hero, Lay Prompt, where people are paying real money for good AI prompts. Like prompts you'd use in ChatGPT or Midjourney to get better results. Think about it. A graphic designer doesn't want to spend 2 hours figuring out the perfect Midjourney prompt to create a logo. They'll just pay you $5 for a prompt that works. You keep 80% of that sale. Upload 50 good prompts. That's passive income coming in every single month. Teens are making between $200 to $1,000 a month just from selling prompt packs. Number 9, voice cloning services. Number 9 is where things start getting interesting. Voice cloning. Ever heard of 11 Labs? It's this AI tool that can clone anyone's voice, including yours. And here's the business opportunity. Content creators, podcasters, YouTubers, they all need voiceovers. But hiring a voice actor costs hundreds of dollars per project. You can offer voice cloning services. Clone a client's voice, generate their script in their own voice, deliver it in 10 minutes. Charge $50, $100, $200 per project, depending on length. Or, even crazier, you can clone your voice, upload it to 11 Labs' voice library, and get paid every time someone uses it. 8. Building chatbots for local businesses. Okay, number 8. This is where you can start making some real money. Local businesses, gyms, salons, restaurants, dentists, they all have the same problem. They're missing calls. Someone calls to book an appointment, no one picks up, they lose the customer. You can build them an AI chatbot. And before you say, I don't know how to code, listen. There are tools like Tdio, Landbot, ChatFuel, where you can build these things without writing a single line of code. Just drag and drop, connect it to their website or Facebook page, and boom. They have a 24/7 assistant answering questions and booking appointments. Charge them $300 to $500 to set it up. Then charge $50 to $100 a month for maintenance. Would you like to never miss another customer call? For 7. AI APP building, no coding needed. Number 7. And this is where it gets absolutely insane. You can now build full mobile apps without knowing how to code at all. There's this thing called vibe coding. Platforms like Replit, Cursor, and Bolt let you just type what you want in plain English, and the AI writes the code for you. You guide it, test it, fix bugs, all by just talking to it. That 17-year-old I mentioned at the start, Zach Yadagari, he built Cal AI, an app that scans your food and tells you the calories. It now makes $1.12 million a month. He was 17 when he launched it. And he's not some tech prodigy. He learned to code by vibe coding, just telling AI what to build and learning as he went. Number 6, AI social media management. Number 6. And honestly, this might be the easiest one on the list because you're probably already good at social media. Small businesses suck at Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. They just don't get it. They post once a month, get 12 likes, and wonder why no one's buying from them. You can manage their social media using AI tools. Canva has AI design tools. ChatGPT writes captions. Number 5, creating AI-generated digital products. Number 5, and this is perfect if you're into design or art. You can create digital products using AI and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market. AI-generated Notion templates. Canva templates for small businesses. Custom AI art prints, Spotify playlist covers, gaming overlays for streamers, study planners, wallpapers. Create it once, sell it 1,000 times. It's pure passive income. Use Midjourney or DALL-E for art. Use ChatGPT to create Notion templates. Use Canva to package everything nicely. Price things at $5 or $50. If 50 people buy your template at $10, that's $500. And you made it in an afternoon. Teenagers are making $500 to $2,000 a month doing this. Verse 4. AI-powered freelancing. Number 4. Freelancing. But not normal freelancing. AI-powered freelancing. Here's what's happening. Businesses need content, designs, code, video editing. They go to Fiverr or Upwork to hire someone. And now, you can compete with professionals because AI makes you 10x faster. Writing blog posts, ChatGPT writes, you edit. Designing logos, Midjourney creates options, you polish them. Editing videos, AI tools like Descript do the heavy lifting. Building websites, use AI builders like Framer, Webflow. You can deliver work in hours that used to take days. Charge $50 for a blog post. Takes you 30 minutes with AI, do 3 a day, that's $150. Do that 5 days a week, that's $3,000 a month. Number 3, building micro SaaS tools. Number 3, micro SaaS. This is where teenagers are genuinely building businesses that make $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 a month. A micro SaaS is a small online tool that solves one specific problem and charges a monthly subscription. Think of it like a mini app that helps people with one task. Use Replit or Cursor. Tell the AI what you want to build. It writes the code, you test it. Fix bugs, launch it. Charge $5-10 month per user. Get 100 paying users at 10 month, that's $1,000 a month recurring. Get 500 users, that's $5,000 a month. And it scales. You build it once, it runs forever. Number 2, selling AI tools to local businesses. Number 2, and this is how an 18-year-old made $14,860 in one day. He wasn't a genius. He didn't have a fancy degree. He just realized something. Local businesses have no idea how to use AI, and they're desperate to compete with bigger companies. He sold them AI phone systems. You know when you call a business and it's automated? That's AI. And you can build these for businesses using tools like Bland AI, Synthflow, or Vapi. The Burry one, AI automation consultant. And number 1, the most powerful way to make money as a teenager with AI, becoming an AI automation consultant. Because it combines everything. You're not just selling one service. You're becoming the person who walks into a business and says, I can save you 20 hours a week by automating your workflows with AI. You analyze their business. You find the repetitive tasks, emails, data entry, social media, customer support. Then you build AI systems that do it for them. Zapier, Make, ChatGPT, N8n. You connect tools together. You build automations. You save businesses time. And time is the most valuable thing they have. Charge $1,000, $3,000 per business for the initial setup. Then $500, $1,000 a month. For maintenance and updates, this is the future. And you're already ahead of 99% of people. So there you have it. 10 ways teenagers are making real money with AI. Pick one thing from this list. Start today. And in 6 months, you could be the one leaving a comment saying, I made my first $1,000 because of this video. Drop a comment and tell me which method you're going to try first. And if you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go build something.